In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a news section to your Wix website so you can keep your audience updated with fresh content. To get started, open your Wix editor or dashboard and go to the app market. Here, search for the Wix Blog app and add it to your site. If your template already has a blog, you can simply enable or access it. Once the blog is added, Wix automatically creates two pages for you: the blog feed page, where all your posts appear together, and the individual blog post page, where visitors can read each article in full. These pages make up your news section. Next, customize the look and feel so it matches your website. You can choose what details to show, like the author name, date, or categories. Then select a layout style such as a list, grid, or magazine view, depending on the design you prefer. You can also adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and image sizes so your news section blends smoothly with the rest of your site. To organize your content, create categories or tags. This helps visitors easily find the topics they're interested in. When you're ready to publish news updates, just go to your dashboard, open blog, and select Create New Post. Here you can write your article, add images, choose a publish date, and assign it to a category. And that's all it takes. By setting up the Wix blog and customizing it to your style, you'll have a clean, professional news section that keeps your audience engaged and informed.